आयतारा सुकूरची ग्रामसभा जाली। हे ग्रामसभेत येरादारीची गचमुड्डी, कोयर या मुखेल विषयांचेर चर्चा जाली। जाल्यार सत्तेचो गैरवापर जाता म्हण वातावरण बरेच तापट जाले। पळयात पुराय बातमी।
Co-biodiversity management committee, it is clearly mentioned that you have to elected the members. That we will take under this meeting.
Okay. The biodiversity management committee show me the letter which says that Gram Sabha has the powers to remove.
Yes, Gram Sabha has appointing power. Same has been appointing. This is a removal.
It is written co-terminus with the panchayat body. That doesn't mean that if the panchayat members are there, okay, and the Gram Sabha decides that one panchayat member should be out, panchayat member will be out. No.
That is a local elected. It is a Gram Sabha elected members.
Not only that. Gram Sabha has appointed you, no?
Gram Sabha has appointed you, no?
It is not like that. The rule
is like that.
No. It is a co-biodiversity. No. Don't try to misguide the youth. They are a future of our country. Don't misguide. I am saying you should not. Don't make them hooligans. We don't want hooligans here. They are good people. We want them to be good youth of the country. Today and tomorrow. So don't misuse your power because the legal board of biodiversity management committee, legal board has said that there is misuse of power.
दोन्ही आमचे वाटो बंद केले। आमच्या दोन्ही वाटो बंद केली। कसली दादागिरी 40 वर्षांची वाट तुझ्या नियम बंद करूया आता वर्षाक आता माया तशें वयता मातशें घोडो करून वयता मायान पळयला हांव म्हणटा ही दादागिरी कसली ना ही दादागिरी कसली काय म्हणटा इतली दादागिरी परवरी चलता ही मे बी मिलियनर हांकां कितें करपाचें आहा जनतेक।
सुकूर वाठारात जाल्ल्या विकास कामांचेर सरपंचान उजवाड घातलो। आयकात तिका।
आमकां सुगुरान जेन्ना प्रोग्राम आसताले तेन्ना खूब इश्यूज जाताले की वाटेरूच गाडयो थेयताल्यो। सो आमी ते पार्किंगाचे पंचायत फंडासून काम करून घेतलेले आहा पार्किंगाचे आनी आमचे थंयसर गार्डनूय हे घेतले आनी तो एक प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व केला आमी। तशेंच आमचे एक ग्रावंड एक आसा तें काम चालू आहा। तशेंच आनी एक आमचे सुकूर मुड्डेर म्हणटा थंय एक ग्रावंड जावपाचो आहा ते आमी फाउंडेशन घातलेले आसा ते चालू जातले आतां काम थोडे दिसांनी।
गोवा 365 खातीर नितीक्षा गांवकार, मनीषा जाधव आनी सानिका नागवेकार।